Good morning, everyone. I'll be talking about operation room design. Operation room is considered as the heart of any major surgical institute. So, in any major theatre, you have four different zones in a OT complex. It depends upon decreasing amount of bacterial contamination, increasing sterility. One has a protective zone where it is a changing room, pre-operative holding area and post-anesthetic care unit. Clean zone where equipments are stored. Aseptic zone is the sterile operation room where bacterial contamination has to be nil and with advisably negative positive pressure, very less. And disposal zone where waste segregation and disposal happens. Basically, OT construction is just not a civil work. It is a combo effort made by civil, mechanical, electrical, electronic and the biomedical staff. So the location has to be very, very important. It has to be above the ground. Ground level, very close to the entrance or main road, catches more dust. And it's very difficult to keep them away. So it has to be above the ground floor. So this picture shows our institute where the OT complex is located in the 6th level. And it has to be in the inner part of the facility to control dust and mold. And 8 sepsis has to be very meticulously followed. One has to eliminate all the cracks and crevices in the surgical spaces. And coved bases where the wall meets the floor has to be used. This I will be explaining a little later. Hand wash area has to be outside the OR room because it generates quite a lot of so it has to be outside the OT room because it generates a lot of aerosol mist and it cannot be inside or very close to the operation room. So basically for a simple OR, the area can be 500 square feet. Floor can be different types depending upon your level of investment. It can be marble, vitrified tile or epoxy. Walls again can be steel, stainless steel, epoxy or vitrified tiles. Ceiling it's better polyurethane paint. Corner should be cored. Epoxy is basically a material, a substrate is used and over which a primer is applied and then epoxy intermediate coat. Final coat it's optional. It becomes very expensive but you can stop with the intermediate epoxy coat. This video shows how the coving is done basically. See where the wall meets the floor, that material is applied slowly because you cannot clean the wall which is perpendicular or the crevices cannot be cleaned very properly. And then it is compacted. Primer coat is laid then. So this will give you a curved corner. It's very easier to clean or sterilize. Ceiling polyurethane primer and paint can be applied. And wall stainless steel is very expensive. This is our OR. It catches very less microorganisms, very easier to clean also. Other options can be vitrified tile and epoxy. So this is a wall showing a sandwich panel. Walls can be with a vitrified tiles as I told with less than 5 mm spaces because longer spaces will attract more organisms. It's very difficult to sterilize. Spaces are filled with epoxy in 2 layers and lower bottom that is deeper one with the rough and commercial epoxy and top one with the fine epoxy. If regular epoxy only is used, it shrinks with time and it can hold organisms. So this is a simple OR showing vitrified tiles, the floor and the base with a poured corner. You can look at all the instruments and equipments are placed on casters so that it's very easier to move and sterilized. There are no absolutely storage spaces inside the OR. This is a very typical OR. It's very easier to maintain. If you have a storage space like cupboards, then again the problem of contamination and sterility is a big problem. Flooring is again, epoxy can be used. Base, a layer of epoxy, and paint can be used on the top. One should ask for a UV stabilized pigment, because if you apply a UV radiation and UV sterilization technique, these pigments will change colors in patches with time. Air handling units, it's mostly often ORs doesn't require air handling units, better to avoid, because the problems are huge amount of cost and maintenance, and you won't know what lies within the false ceiling. With meters and yards of ducts and tubules, it's very difficult to clean once it gets contaminated, especially with the fungus. So roof suspended or standalone air purifiers are more than enough. There are pre-filters, activated carbon filters and HEPA filters. HEPA filter stands for high efficiency particulate arresting, which filters particles more than 0.3 microns. These are all called fan filtering units. As you can see, one in the slide below, it's in the ceiling, the fan filtering unit. One has to keep this on so that it continuously cleans the air within the OR. So this is the pre-carbon filter, air enters the pre-carbon filter, and then 2 HEPA filters are there, and clean air comes out. Fumigation, as far as we know, it's no more done in our theatres. It's best to follow universal precautions for all patients. And fan filtering units are continuously on to clean the air inside the theatre. Positive pressure ventilation inside the OT is desirable. UV can only be a supplement to other methods of sterilization, because it cannot cross the barriers. You have to have other methods of sterilization also. You cannot depend only on UV. Chemical sprays are to be avoided the most. So I'm just finishing with 3 slides. You have a modular OR which will cost more. If you want to invest, it will cost around 25 lakhs. The difference I'll be telling, floor is with a conductive floor with a copper grid. Walls can be coated with aluminium. Ceiling, again epoxy paint. Filters are HEPA filters. Advantages of these modular theatres, they last very long, more than 20 years. It prevents any electrical short circuit. It's more protective. Seamless joints are there, so hence it's antibacterial and sterile. Anti-skid properties of the floor. If you aim for a medium budget, it will cost around 10 to 12 lakhs. Again, floor is epoxy conductor floor. Walls, epoxy paint can be coated directly on the wall. And the disadvantage, paint has to be reapplied every 4 years. Advantage, again, aluminium ceiling does not get corroded. A low budget, we can construct the OT even with 6 to 8 lakhs. Floor can be with marble. Walls with vitrified tiles, ceiling aluminum or PUC coated, covering with epoxy. Advantage, tiles are more sturdy and last longer, and the disadvantage is the joints are present, and hence it's not truly antibacterial. Thanks for your patience listening.